Hi there, welcome. I'm Tony from the Build and Grow 21 channel, and today is a great day for you to be here. Whether you're a new visitor for the first time, a friend, or a fan, today is a great day to join in this video display of a special treat for the quail I have. You see the quail here, they're getting a little chirpy in the background, and I have them caged for right now because I'm trying to help figure out which ones may not be producing eggs as well. And I have a special treat for them today that just may help this. So today, for the first time ever, and why it's a great reason for you to be here today, is because I have the first ever free sample sent to the Build and Grow 21 channel on behalf of what we're doing here to show and educate how you can have birds in the house producing you fresh eggs every day. Of course, it takes more than just regular feed and corn like we have here. You need some things to keep the birds happy. And from the company Grubterra in Chester, New Jersey, the wonderful people there found me, decided to send me a sample. And here we have a 1 pound Grubterra black soldier fly larvae package. We're going to go ahead and feed the birds here a little bit and see how happy and chirpy they can be. And it's all about making them happy to have nice, strong, healthy, happy eggs. Whether I use them for fertilization and have more eggs to go ahead and hatch on our own, or as in most cases, the eggs get eaten as quickly as they're made. Grubterra, again, in Chester, New Jersey, they don't just have a solution for quails. Quails, this is really chickens. So their treats are made for chickens, made for quail in my case, made for dogs, and they have treats for reptiles as well. They have feeding solutions for all kinds of animals, and let me tell you, I've tried this on my own, trying to make my own black soldier fly with scraps from the kitchen and out in the compost area. And it was hard, time-consuming, smelly, messy, and it got a little more expensive than it is than dealing with a company that's a great supplier. Deal with them directly. Before I ever have to go ahead and eat bugs myself, I want to make sure I'm raising animals so I can eat the eggs from them eating the bugs, not me. We're going to check it out here in a second. I'm going to go ahead and do a brand new package opening. Okay, and we got a nice little display here from Grubterra. Please leave us a review and share. And if you've used Grubterra products in the past, please go ahead, share in the comments below, and let's see if we can't help that company do a little bit more to get around and have their reputation known. And you see here, the thing that I like about this, there's a lot going on here because these are, grubs that, are really fresh, it looks like. And let's see how quickly the birds take notice of that too. So I have here 14 quail. I've been raising them in different batches for not quite 2 years yet. I'm getting ready to raise some more quail and having a daily supply of good regular nutrients like your regular feed, but sometimes treats. I think their happiness and their chirpiness right here speaks for themselves here. So thank you so much, Grubterra. Really nice treat for the quail today. 1 pound package could last, as long as I want it to last, really. They don't need these every day. Just a treat, every few days, once, couple times a week is pretty good for them. The benefits, ever since I've been doing this with them, the birds, they have nice coats, they look healthy, they stay healthy. Their feed keeps them healthy, and fresh water, of course, but really, to continue to keep them happy, they like to do the natural thing. And I don't always keep them in a cage. Normally, they're running free around this inside pen that we have in the home here. So again, if you have happiness and benefits to share from black soldier fly for quail, chickens, and other treats from Grubterra in Chester, New York, give them a ring up. Look them up online, grubterra.com, and let them know that you're interested in learning more about how they can help keep your pets, livestock, and friends happy and healthy for a long time. Thanks for coming by. Best one. Thanks. Thanks for coming by. Thank you, Grubterra. And it's been a pleasure. Build and grow something on your own.